officially pomegranate season, and today we're making the easiest 3-ingredient recipe that's perfect for making your skin glow and boosting your immune system. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Darian and I create juice recipes for beginners or anyone who's interested in building healthier habits. So today's video is all about our pomegranate, orange, and ginger juice. I can't take credit for this recipe. I did see it on Nama's page and it looked so good, I just decided I have to make it. I absolutely love pomegranates and y'all know how much I love ginger, so this is absolutely the perfect combination for me. Alright, so for today's recipe, you'll need 2 pomegranates, about 20 mandarin oranges, or you can tweak it to your liking, and then about a fingerling of ginger. So I went ahead and prepped everything off camera because if you've juiced pomegranates before or even just had them as a snack, you know how messy and how long the process is just to get them out. So I didn't want to bore y'all with that today. So everything is already prepped and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get into making our juice. Now let's go ahead and juice our pomegranates and ginger. And I think I'll do about this much ginger just to start out with. Now that the hard part is over, here comes the fun part. Let's go ahead and taste test our beautiful juice. Cheers! So good. I knew it would be. So many of my favorite ingredients. Anything with pomegranate is a yes for me. This, absolutely amazing. I would definitely consider this like an elevated morning juice. If you don't want to just do regular orange juice for breakfast, this would be a good option to have instead. So good. Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. See, I told you, quick and easy, right? Yeah, I know. That's what happens when you use the Nama J2. You can literally load it up and just walk away or get your juicing done in less than 5 minutes. So if you're interested in any of Nama's products, literally anything, any of the accessories, guess what? You can now use my code Darian10 and save on anything on Nama's website. Yeah, I know, so exciting, right? Now, I almost forgot, if you're someone who finds the process of getting the seeds out of the pomegranate very tedious and you want a little bit of help as to what to do, make sure that you check out my pomegranate tutorial video. It is up on my channel. It's a little on the longer side, but it's definitely worth it. And as always, I hope you found this video to be helpful. I hope that this recipe was easy to follow along with. Let me know if you give it a try down in the comments. And as always, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one.